my hair is very high. Doop, 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 doop. Okay. I think I said this before. I will make unboxing videos about Chinese hair accessories. So I don't have any hair accessories on my hair. So I will unbox it and I will put hairpins on my hair. There will be 5 hairpins. So I paid someone made those hairpins. I can make hairpins, but it's not professional. I have someone made it so I can learn it from. So I told her my wishes. I wish the color pink, purple, and blue and red. And I wish the hairpins and with like long 璎珞. Oh, how do I translate it? It's looks like that. Can't wait to unbox it and put it on my hair. Very excited. Oh, very pretty. It's a lot prettier than the one I had before. Those hairpins are a little bit higher quality than the one I have. This is one pair, so I can put on both sides. Put it here. Oh, so pretty. And love them. I just really love those things hanging down. What is next? Wow. So the next one is one piece. Maybe I cannot pin it through. Feels like this is too much. Yeah, it is too much. So I can either just do one pair like that, or take those down, put those up. Like that. So pretty. Oh, that's very pretty. Love it. Extremely love it. Let me look at this quality. It looks like she used hot glue on this part. So she used the wire and hot glue. If without hot glue, just using the wire, flowers might loose. You look at my old ones. My old ones has no hot glue. How about this one? This one got no hot glue on. I don't really like the hot glue on the back. I wish she used only wire like this one. Okay, next one. The next one is also a pear. This pear is blue. It's got green leaves and blue flowers. This pair hairpins also match this outfit because it got blue on the side, very light blue. I can also wear this pair with my blue hanfu. So pretty. I just love those. I don't know how to translate this part. In Chinese, this type of hairpin called 簪子, 簪子, or you can say it 发簪, 簪子 or 发簪. Those called 发梳 because this part is like a comb, so it's called 发梳. 发 means hair, so 发簪, 发梳. And those are also 发梳. The next one is called 发夹, 发夹 because it's a clip. Ah, my hair is messed up. This side bands. So she just made me one piece. And yeah, it's just a one piece where I can put, oh, I can actually use it in the front, like that. I can pin it here. It's also super pretty. I love it. Really love it. Looks the quality. It is pretty good. If she made a pair, then I can put them on the side because it is just one piece. So I can wear it in the front. It is a very pretty. I love it. Oh, I messed up my hair. Oh, it takes a long time to grow out my bands. Okay, I definitely wear those ones in the front. Or I can wear it like here in the center. Yes, I can do that. Oh, it's also very pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. And then put this one on. I actually wish this one is a pair. Then I can put another pair on this one. Then it's even. But one side it's fine. Need to take a picture. Take a picture. Wow. Oh, I need to get my fans, the peach blossom print fans. Then it will match more. I will get my fan. Wow, this is so pretty. I don't have a funny fan. This one works too. Change this to this one. This one is also very beautiful. Good picture of that. My face so round. If you want your cheeks look smaller in the picture, just doing this to hide your cheeks, and then take a picture. So the last one is not as fancy as the other ones. It doesn't have the beads hanging down. So this one is pretty simple. Oh, and you know what? Because on the material it has holes. So I can make the beads hang down. Yes, I can make it. I think for this hairpin, I will transform it. Honestly, this quality is not as good as the other hairpins. I can see the glue sticking out on this one. Earrings is pretty nice. It's good. I like all of them. This here is hanging down a little bit. Move it up. So pretty. I really love everything. I'm so glad I got those hairpins. You never have enough hair accessories. Very pretty. Really love it. So that's all the hair accessories. In the future, there will be more new Chinese hair accessories. And I showed my husband those hairpins. He really loved this look. I should have photo shoot with this hair and going out with the full outfit. I'm just super happy about it. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing video. I will see you in next video soon. Bye-bye. If you want to know how to do this hairstyle, I will make a video about it. Oh, I need pink earrings. Ah, is this okay? I add one more? Is that too much? Wow, I just put everything on my hair. Love it.